So on the basis of his experiment, alpha particle experiment, Rutherford is giving his first nuclear model of the atom, where he given his postulate like this, that there is a positively charged, highly dense center in an atom called nucleus. Like I was telling you that some of the alpha particle crossed very nicely, some got deflected and some is hitting back and returning back. So the reason behind returning back of the alpha particle and not crossing the alpha particle was the center of the atom, which is named as nucleus. That center of the atom which has all the mass situated at it. All the positively charged particles and all the mass is located at the center of the atom. That is why this center of the atom gives a hard surface, क्योंकि ये गोल्ड की एटम है. नेचुरली इसकी मास बहुत ज्यादा है अल्फा पार्टिकल से. नेचुरली ये अल्फा पार्टिकल को क्रॉस नहीं होने देगा, इसलिए अल्फा पार्टिकल रिटर्न हो जाते हैं. यहाँ इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन इस बात से नहीं की जा सकती कि अल्फा पार्टिकल मस्ट हैव गॉट अंडर द हेवी इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल. ओके, न्यूक्लियस इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, राइट. ही इज सेइंग दैट ऑल द पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज लोकेटेड एट द सेंटर and the negatively charged particles, which are electrons, are revolving around the nucleus in circular path. What was this circular path? I am telling you. But why the alpha particle returned back? The reason is just that the alpha particle has hit a hard surface, which is the nucleus of the atom and which is the center of the atom. The size of the nucleus is, he is saying, around 10 to the power 5 times smaller than the size of the atom. 1,00,000 गुना ये छोटा है. Like he also told, given a comparison between the size of the nucleus and size of the atom, that a person is sitting in the stadium, a big stadium, round stadium, that person will be taken as the nucleus and the whole stadium as an atom. So you can understand that how smaller is the nucleus compared to the whole atom, and that nucleus has whole mass and whole positive charge focused at it. So this is the nuclear model of the atom, which is the biggest success in the world of, you can say, nuclear physics. So this was the nucleus and the electrons are moving around the circular path. Now this is the model of the atom given by the Rutherford, but this model of the atom also faced criticism because of its instability. What was the instability factor that the model of the atom not became the final model of the atom, and the more improvised model of the atom also came in future by his own student Niels Bohr, who was a Danish scientist, Denmark के थे. Problem began in his model of the atom. What were the limitations of the Rutherford's model? That he is telling that particles which are negatively charged are revolving around the nucleus of the atom in circular path. So he is very successful in telling that what are the positions of the positive and negative charge. Like the Thomson's model of the atom could not explain it, that where the positive charge is situated and where the negative charge is. He is saying that overall everywhere the positive and negative charge स्कैटर्ड. तो यहाँ तो ये इन्होंने बता दिया, ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी. कह दिया कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज है न्यूक्लियस में और नेगेटिव चार्ज है उसके अराउंड, सेंटर के अराउंड एक सर्कुलर पाथ है जिसमें कि वो रिवॉल्व करें हाई स्पीड के साथ रिवॉल्व. लेकिन वहां पे एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ गई, क्योंकि एक रूल होती है सर्कुलर पाथ की. वो रूल क्या होती है? आई एम टेलिंग यू. According to the Rutherford model, the model of the atom was looking like this. This is the center, which is your nucleus, where all the proton and mass of the atom is found. At that time, neutron was not discovered. After that, but Rutherford only given the hint to discover the neutron, because he was a scientist of radioactivity also. He has done lots of work in radioactivity, and neutron was discovered through radioactivity. तो ये सेंटर है, सेंटर के चारों तरफ उन्होंने कहा सर्कुलर पाथ. तो सर्कुलर पाथ ऐसी थी, एडजॉइंट सर्कुलर पाथ, which was looking like a spiral. So what is the rule given by the Maxwell? Maxwell was a scientist who studied upon the particles movement in circular path. Means what will be the pattern of movement in the circular path of the particle? कैसा होगा circular motion में? तो he is telling that whenever a particle will move in the circular path, it will radiate energy. Definitely it will radiate energy. Every electron is moving with the high speed. What will happen? That there will be electrostatic pull also. Electron is negatively charged and the center of the atom nucleus is heavily positively charged. तो ये इसको अट्रैक्ट तो करेगा ही. अट्रैक्शन होने से क्या होगी कि रिटार्डेशन, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव करना स्टार्ट करेगा. इट विल ट्राई टू फॉल इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द एटम, एंड एज सून एज इट इज फॉलिंग इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द एटम ऑफ द मॉडल ऑफ द एटम विल कोलैप्स. or if it is accelerated, then it will move forward and it will make and come out, it will split out from the atom, ये बाहर निकल जाएगी. Radiation of the energy is done in the form of photons. That was discovered by Bohr's model of the atom. Bohr has told that okay, atom has electrons revolves around the nucleus and it radiates energy, right? Maxwell has told not wrong thing, but how the energy radiates, that even though after the radiation of the energy also, the model of the atom has been successful, has been stable. Atom is stable, that's truth. How it is stable, that is given by the Bohr's model. So this is the drawback of the Rutherford's model of the atom. Second biggest drawback came in the form that the Rutherford could not explain that how the electrons are distributed around the nucleus of the atom. So this was again given by the Niels Bohr, that what is the way of distribution of electron, that we will study in our coming classes, that what is the most successful model of the atom, that is your Niels Bohr's model of the atom. So this was the achievement, experiment, success, failure related to the Rutherford's model of the atom. I have taken an integrated class, and I hope that this must will clear your concept of the first nuclear model of the atom. Children must watch it to gain knowledge.